Welcome students. Uh, Today we will going to start the subject Engineering Thermodynamics of semester 3, the subject code of which is MEC 240. So what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is very important subject from your career point of view and curriculum point of view, because thermodynamics is totally related with heat and work, and this is the basic subject which is used in further studies, and in engineering itself the thermodynamics is very important subject. So what is thermodynamics? First of all, let us know the introduction of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics consisted of two words, that is thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat and dynamics means motion. So the motion of heat is basically known as thermodynamics. So in this subject we will study that how heat and work are related to each other and how heat flows, etc. So thermodynamics is nothing but a relation between heat and other form of energy. There are several form of energy you have already studied in the previous semester or in your school. So thermodynamics is basically a relation between the heat and work, heat and other form of energy itself. So thermodynamics can also be defined as is a branch of science which deals with energy transfer and its effect on the state or condition of a system. This is known as thermodynamics. So let us start with the thermodynamic system. Hope you understood the thermodynamics. We'll discuss this thermodynamics in the class also to clarify all your doubts and to discuss something else also which is important from thermodynamics point of view. So let us consider the thermodynamic system. What is thermodynamic system? So thermodynamic system is the prescribed and the fixed quantity of matter under consideration. So it is a small part of the whole body, whole surrounding, a small part which we consider to analyze the problem, to study the changes in its properties due to the exchange of energy in the form of heat and work. So basically the system is nothing but a small space which we occupy and which is to be considered for the study purpose. Okay, because we can't analyze the whole surrounding. If there is a surrounding whole matter, so we can't perform a practicals or study on whole surrounding. So we have to consider a small part of that particular body to get it tested, yeah, to get it analyzed. So this is known as thermodynamic system. You can see here that uh, this is the cylinder, this is piston, and these are the boundaries. So we'll discuss the surrounding and boundaries later on. First of all, let's discuss the system itself. So this is the example of piston and cylinder, whereas the surrounding is whole space except system. So surrounding is the whole space. It is something like a major portion of the body, major portion of the matter or unlimited quantity. So we have considered this system, that means a small space under consideration which is in between the piston and cylinder, and this could be analyzed. This system, particular system, can be analyzed for the problem solving. What is surrounding now? So surrounding is the combination of matter and space external to the system that may be influenced by changes in the system is called surrounding or environment. So surrounding is basically an environment. We will discuss the next topic, or we will discuss the detail of surrounding in the next class.